Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud with Vivek. And today we are discussing about how to launch EC2 instance in our AWS cloud. So guys, first of all, you have to open your AWS account, and after opening AWS account, you will search here EC2, so you will get this type of console. After that, if there is any running EC2 instance, so you will see here that EC2 instance is running or not. After that, we want to create new EC2 instance. So what you will do, just you will click on this dashboard and then you will go downside. So you will see option of launch instance, or you can click in launch, instances, and after that launch instance. Okay. So you will choose that what name you want to give. So suppose that I want to give name of server Vivek-server. After that, you have to choose AMI image, that what is your AMI image, which operating system you want to use. So we want to use guys Amazon Linux. So we will select Amazon Linux. After that, you have to choose architecture. So you can choose any company. So like there are two companies. First one is ARM, second one is Intel. So you can choose any one. After that, you have to come downside. Okay, and then you have to choose instance type. So guys, t3.micro is available for free trial, so I will choose this one. If you want to create any other, so you can use other also, like t3.micro we can choose, sorry, medium we will choose. So if it will give permission for creation, so we can use, because it is free tier account. So in free tier account we don't have permission, so actually we can do t2.medium, no problem. Okay, so t2.medium you can choose, no problem, or t3.medium also you can use. Sorry, t3.micro you can choose. So we will choose t3.micro, and after that you have to keep here. So you can create keep here. So keep your name I'm giving Cloud with Vivek. Okay. What is name of keep here guys? Cloud with Vivek. And after that you have to choose that in which format you want to connect your instance, like you want to use putty or you want to use PAM. So according to that you will choose. So we want to use what? PAM. So we will generate key pair, and after that you have to come in network setting. Here you can choose your BPC. So by default we have one BPC, that is default. Second BPC is lab BPC, so you can choose any one BPC. After that you can choose subnet, in which subnet you want to create. After that, availability zone, you can choose availability zone. Then you want to auto assign public IP address, so you can choose according to your requirement. So generally in default BPC it will enable. If you will choose custom BPC, means another BPC, so it will be disabled. Okay, so you have to make enable. So make sure it that it should be enabled, then only you will get public IP address. After that, you have to define security group name. So like we are defining Vivek-SG. And after that you have to choose rule, that how many port number you want to open. So as a beginner I will suggest that you can open all traffic, but in company we are not opening all traffic. What we will do, in industry level we will open according to our requirement, like port number 22, port number 80, and port number 443. So according to our required we will do. After that you have to choose here storage. Okay, so once you will click on advanced, you will get option of here, and then there is a option delete on termination. What is the meaning of delete on termination guys? If you will, yes, then if you will delete EC2 instance, so your volume will be also deleted. But if you will choose what, no, so your EC2 will be only terminated, your volume will be not deleted. So this is very important for industry purpose. After that come in advanced detail. There are many options. So first of all we have to discuss about shutdown behavior. What is the meaning of shutdown behavior? That if you will stop instance, so it will stop or it will terminate. So if you will select terminate, so once you will shut down your EC2 instance, it will terminate. After that, hibernate option, so that we will discuss in upcoming videos. After that, there is option for termination protection. So what is the meaning of termination protection guys? So we can enable and disable. What we can do, we can enable and disable. So first of all, if you will disable, then no problem. If you will enable, so no one can terminate instance. So first of all, what I will do, I will enable termination protection. Then stop protection also, if you will enable, no one can stop. If you will disable, then people can stop. Okay, so that is enable disable. After that, There are advanced options that we will discuss in upcoming videos, then capacity reservation and all things. After that, you will come in downside, there is option for user data. So guys, in user data you can define your script. Suppose that you want to install Terraform, you want to install Docker Kubernetes, you want to install Jenkins. So that script you can define. So this script will be executed at the time of creation EC2 instance. Okay, so now we will what launch instance. Here you can choose number of instances, so we defined only one. So our EC2 instance will be created. Okay, so just wait few minutes, then we will connect this EC2 instance using our public IP address. So you can see that Vivek server is running and status check is what initializing. So select instance ID, copy public IP address, and after that you will open CMD and then CD downloads. Okay, SSH EC2 hyphen user at the rate public IP hyphen I, key name is what cloud with vivek.pam. So now it will be give permission for connecting. So you can see that we are connected with our EC2 instance, right? So this is the way how you can create your Linux based EC2 instance in AWS cloud. So guys, now if you will try to terminate, it will not able to terminate. Okay, so first of all you have to choose in come in instance and select actions. Okay, so choose and come in action, and you will try to, sorry, in instance state you will try to terminate, it will not terminate. What it is saying that on this termination protection is enabled, right? So once you will try, it will give you error. What it is saying, fail to terminate instance because permission error, right? So there is a question that suppose that by mistake you enable termination protection and you have to disable it, how you can do? Select instance action and then you have to come in security, or sorry, in instance setting and change termination protection. So it is enabled, so you have to untick it and disable. Now if you will try to shut down or terminate, it will be shut down or terminate also, right? So according to your shutdown behavior and it will work. So now you can check that it will be turn off, right? Means it will be terminate permanently. So that is the way how you can launch your EC2 instance based on Linux. So guys, if you are really liking my videos, so you can like, share, subscribe. I will make another video. So in next video, I will discuss about how to launch window-based EC2 instance in AWS cloud. So I hope this will be helpful for you. So share this video in LinkedIn and Facebook with your LinkedIn family and Facebook members also. So have a good day to all of you. Thank you guys.